So the premise of the design is aimed squarely at the Project Studio market, where you are recording a few microphones, but you need many line inputs. You need the monitor section, you need the full center section, and to us the stereo bus compressor is classically important. It's important to note that this console is built to the same standards of quality as every API console, the Legacy Plus, the Vision series, the 1608, the same standard of components, the same standard of build design, and all backed up with that API 5-year parts warranty. So if we start with the inputs, there are 4 main inputs for recording. Each has mic, line, and a high Z instrument input. Each input offers a full throw fader, a mute, and a solo. There's a pan pot with the center detent, a program bus assign, and a solo safe. Each input has 4 auxiliaries with their corresponding controls. We have 48 volt phantom, a phase invert, a 20 dB pad, mic line instrument switching, and the microphone gain. Channels 1 and 2 have 2 550A classic API equalizers. Channels 3 and 4 have 500 series module slots for use with any VPR approved 500 series modules. On the summing side, if we move over to the right side, there are 16 summing inputs, each with a full throw 100 millimeter fader, mute, solo, program, same pan pot, the same 4 auxiliaries. There's one little twist we added we think is really useful for Project Studio DAW users, and that's a 0 dB switch. In effect, this switches the fader out of the circuit, giving you unity gain off the DAW. So if you need recalls really quickly, it's a nice little feature to add. A full center section on the console, starting with the great big aluminum control room knob that API has been famous for. All of the center section controls that you need, including internal playbacks, external playbacks, the aux masters, the Q masters, a full talkback section, solo control, and so on. And then the glue, to me the glue that holds it all together, is a classic API stereo bus compressor. Same controls that you have on our outboard compressors. One little twist we've added to make this product more useful is if you hit that button, channel 1 to channel 3, in the tracking mode, this means that the left side of the compressor is assigned to the channel 1 input. If you hit the button on the right side, now that's assigned to the channel 2 input. So in tracking, you have line compressors. In the mix mode, you have a stereo bus compressor. Metering, power supply, same 5-year warranty as the rest of API products.